Okay, how to make a, if your iPod video is broken, it says like, if it says like a file, I don't know, battery or the format like with the sad face, that means your hard drive is broken. So all you need to do is, here, I'll show you. Open up your iPod. Mine's already open, so, but then just get a little pin or something to open with. And all you need to do is open it, but don't open it from the screen side because it might crack your screen. All you need to do is do this and unplug the battery out, so you have like this. Then, so it's like this, and this is your format right here. This is 30 gig format, and then all you need to do is get this and unplug it from right out here. Unplug it right here. See this? Unplug it. After you have done that, it is going to be like this. You could buy one for $60, $40, anywhere, eBay, anywhere. And this is a format. All you need to do is buy the format like this, attach it to right here, and close it back in and put the battery in, and you're done. All you need to do is reset, go to computer, and then just do everything over. Yeah, these cost about $30, $40, $50, $60 around there, or $100 if you buy like 80 gig or something. This format still works. So yeah, and my iPod is broken because my sister actually ripped the sound earphone cord right here. So then yeah, all I need is a new iPod. So I'm trying to sell this right now for, I don't know, like 20 bucks something, but yeah, I don't know. So 30 gig right here. Alright, bye.